Pinus male reproductive system. Pinus male cones are developed on the dwarf shoot system. See here it is a dwarf shoot system of pinus. Already we know the structure, external structure of the pinus, external characters, external structure. On the dwarf shoots, more number of male cones are developed. Each male cone look like a pineapple-like structure. Each male cone look like a pineapple-like structure. At early stage, all male cones are protected by the needles. All male cones are protected by the needles. Mainly up to 64 male cones also developed on the terminal part of this dwarf shoot. Up to 64 or 65 male cones are developed on the terminal part of dwarf shoot. Each male cone look like a pineapple-like structure. Male cone lower part protected by the bracts. Male cone lower part protected by the bract-like structure. If we identified each male cone, if we identified LS of each male cone, it shows central axis called cone axis. It is the cone axis. Around these cone axis, more number of sporophyll leaves. The sporophyll leaves belongs to microsporophylls. Microsporophyle leaves are arranged in a spiral position. Microsporophylls are arranged in a spiral position around the male cone axis. If we identified each male cone, it shows dorsiventral regions. Dorsal side and ventral regions are present. On the dorsal region, two egg-like structures are present. Two oval-like structures are present. The two oval-like structures are called microsporangiums. On each microsporophyll, two microsporangiums are present. On each microsporophyll, two microsporangiums are present. On the terminal part of each microsporophyll, sterile part is present. The sterile part is called apophysis. Sterile part is called apophysis. And each microsporophyll containing stalk-like structure. Generally, the microsporophyll shows two major parts. One is fertile portion and second one is sterile portion. Fertile portion containing two microsporangium chambers and sterile part containing apophysis. If we observed each microsporophyll leaf, on the dorsal side, two microsporangium chambers. Remind children, two microsporangium chambers are present on the each microsporophyll. On the terminal part of each microsporophyll, sterile part is present. The sterile part is called apophysis. Apophysis is the sterile part. It looks like a needle-like structure. See, it is in the diagram. Apophysis is the sterile part. It is the apophysis. But on the fertile part, on the dorsal side of the microsporophyll, two microsporangium chambers. If we observe each microsporangium, it is in oval structure. It covered by single layered, and below these microsporangium chamber, more number of diploid cells are present. The diploid cells are called sporangium mother cell or spore mother cell, microspore mother cells. Each microspore mother cell participated in the reduction division to produce 4 haploid pollen grains. The pollen grains are in special characters. The pollen grains are not in spheroidal structure. Each pollen grain containing two wing-like structures. It is the special characters of the pinus pollen grain. The wings are developed in the only pinus pollen grain. Finally, from each microsporangium chamber, more number of microspores are developed. If we observed each microspore means pollen grain. The pollen grain containing exine and intine layers. See children, one extra layer is also present between the exine and intine. The layer is called exointine. The exointine develops into wings-like structures. Exointine develops into wing-like structures. And at center region of these pollen grain, haploid nucleus and cytoplasm is present. Between the two wings, here it is pore-like structure is present, is called pollen pore. At matured stage, mainly in the March or April month of year, all pollen grains are comes out from the microsporangium chambers. All microsporangium chambers are split in a longitudinal division to release microspores. The microspores are in yellow color. When we went to the pine forest means pinus plants areas are called pine forest. In the March or in April month, we observed on the sky, yellow showers are clearly visible. Yellow showers means yellow colored clouds like structures are clearly visible. Yellow color clouds like structures are made by only pollen grains, pinus pollen grains. Means pinus pollen grains are in yellow colored. All microsporangium chambers, all male cones are produced more number of pollen grains. The more number of pollen grains are released into the environment. Each pollen grain containing wings-like structures. These are in yellow color. At the dehiscence time, all pollen grains are look like a shower, yellow clouds-like structures in the sky. The pollen grains are containing wings-like structure. They are easily reached to the, or easily moves to the female cones, and they are deposited on the female cone axis, is called pollination. Generally in angiosperms or in higher plants, what is mean of pollination? Pollen grains deposited on the stigma is called pollination. But in the gymnosperms, especially from the pinus, male cones produced pollen grains. The pollen grains are deposited on the female cone. Pollen grains are deposited on the female cones is called pollination. See children, it is the male reproduction of the pinus. Microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis means we observed each microsporangium LS. Microsporangium LS. The microsporangium LS shows outer layer is epidermis. Below the epidermis, one single layer is present called endothecium. Below the endothecium, two middle layers are present. Below the two middle layers, tapetum layers are present. The tapetum layers are present at inner side of the anther wall or pollen wall, microsporangium wall. Below these pollen wall or microsporangium wall, diploid mother cells. The diploid mother cells are called microspore mother cells. The microspore mother cell in which structure? Diploid condition. Each microspore mother cell participated in the reduction division to produce microspores. That microspores are in the pollen grains. The microspore are also called pollen grains. The pollen grains are in which condition? Spheroidal with wings. Spheroidal with wings. It is also part of microsporogenesis. Generally, the pinus pollen grains are at early stage. Here it is only one haploid nucleus. The haploid nucleus pollen grains are deposited on the male cones, female cones. Pollen grains are deposited on the female cone. See children, before the development of microspores or development of microspores are male gametophyte. Male gametophyte. Each haploid nucleus participated in the mitotic divisions. By the mitotic division, two equal cells are developed. The two equal cells are called, one is prothalial cell, second one is antheridial cell. Antheridial cell, prothalial cell. Prothalial cell cannot participate in the further divisions. Prothalial cell cannot participate in the further divisions. Again, antheridial cell participated in the mitotic divisions. Antheridial cell participated in the mitotic division. Again, these antheridial cell also participated in the mitotic division to produce prothalial cell 2 and antheridial cell. Prothalial cell 2, antheridial cell. Again, antheridial cell participated in the mitotic division to form generative cell and tube cell. Generative cell and tube cell. See children, don't confuse here. It is total 4 cells are present before the pollination. Prothalial cell 1 and prothalial cell 2. Second, third one is generative cell and fourth one is tube cell. Prothalial cell 1, prothalial cell 2, generative cell and tube cell. Total 4 cells are present. At the 4-celled stage, pollen grains are deposited on the female cone. First, haploid nucleus participated in the mitotic division to form prothalial cell 1. It is the prothalial cell 1. And the prothalial cell 1 cannot participate in the further divisions. And the second cell is antheridial cell. Antheridial cell again participated in the mitotic division to form prothalial cell 2, again antheridial cell. And antheridial cell participated in the mitotic division to form generative cell and tube cell. Finally, how many cells here? It is prothalial cell 1, prothalial cell 2, generative cell and tube cell. Total 4 cells are present in the pollen grains. The 4-celled pollen grains are deposited on the female cone axis. After pollination, each pollen grain takes 9 months of rest. Each pollen grain takes 9 months of rest. During these 9 months, female gametophyte is developed. It takes development of female gametophyte total 9 months of time. After 9 months or after development of female gametophyte, the generative cell participated in the division. Generative cell participated in the division to form 2 cells. One is stalk cell, second one is body cell. When the generative cell participated in the divisions, after 9 months, generative cell participated in the division to form 2 cells. One is stalk cell, another one is body cell. And body cell again participated in the mitotic division to form 2 equal cells. The 2 equal cells are called spore mother cells. The spore mother cells are directly developed into sperms. The sperm mother cells are directly developed into sperms. See here it is, during the development of or during the division of body cell, tube cell develop into pollen tube. Finally, the pollen tube containing 2 equal male gametes. See children, here it is, the 2 equal male gametes are present. The 2 equal male gametes are present on the pollen tube. At matured stage, stalk cell is reduced, tube nucleus is reduced, only 2 equal, sorry, not equal, unequal male gametes are present on the pollen tube. Unequal male gametes are present on the pollen tube terminal part. See, it is the development of male gametophyte. Here it is the haploid nucleus. It participated in the first division to form 2 unequal cell called prothalial cell. Second one is antheridial cell. Prothalial cell, it is in small in size. Antheridial cell is large in size. Again, the antheridial cell participated in the next mitotic division to form again 2 cells. The 2 cells, one cell is called second prothalial cell and third one is antheridial cell. At this stage, 3 cells are present. First prothalial cell, second prothalial cell. First prothalial cell cannot participate in the divisions. Second prothalial cell also cannot participate in the division. But antheridial cell participated in again mitotic division to form 2 cells. Finally, the 2 cells are called, one is generative cell, again one is tube cell. At this stage, total 4 cells are present. What are the 4 cells? First prothalial cell, second prothalial cell, generative cell, and tube cell. This total 4-celled pollen grains are deposited on the female cone. It takes 9 months of rest. After 9 months of rest, generative cell participated in the division. The generative cell participated in the mitotic division to form two cells. One is stalk cell, another one is body cell. Stalk cell cannot participate in the further divisions, and body cell participated in the mitotic division to form two unequal male gametes. At the same time, the tube cell produced pollen tube. On the terminal part of the pollen tube, finally, two unequal male gametes are present. These two unequal male gametes are fertile with female gametophyte or female gametes to form zygotes. See children, up to here it is development of male gametophyte.